Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you a super easy way to split an image for an Instagram grid using Canva. First, go to canva.com and log in into your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Now, click on Create a Design and search for Instagram post and click this one. Now go to the Uploads and upload the file that you want to split the image. Once it's uploaded, drag it to the canvas and adjust it to fit the full canvas. Make sure it's centered properly, just like that. Once you're done, go here again and look for apps. Click it and search for image splitter. Click it. Now you can see the preview of splitted image. Scroll it down and click split image. And here you can see the splitted image from image 1 to image 9. Now click Add Images to New Pages. Just wait for it to load. Once it's successfully uploaded, you can see here the splitted image. You just need to delete the first one. Click Delete. And the next step is to export your images. Click Share and click Download. Click Save. Now upload each piece in order to Instagram. Start from the last image and work your way to the first to keep the grid looking perfect. And that's it. Now you can create stunning Instagram grids easily using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.